Hi, I'm Fernando.
Hi, my name is Alfonso Pajarillaga.
Hi, my name is Rob.
Hi, I'm Asuncion.
Hey guys, my name is Dela Rosa.
So we're gonna do a chemistry video, but this is not the kind of chemistry video that you'd be expecting. Like maybe let's say how to fire a gun or what a bullet contains. So we're not gonna do that. We're not also gonna, I don't know, maybe trigger all the IEDs that I planted all over this village.
One, go.
So for our chemistry news today, we have Zika virus. Maybe you have heard of it, but in case you haven't, let me give you just a very short history about it. The Zika virus started from the isolation of monkeys and mosquitoes. It was detected from a rhesus macaque monkey in the Zika forest of Uganda, thus the name Zika virus came from. Now for the human infection, it was first detected in 1952, and and from there it started spreading from around the countries in the whole world, even up to now. In fact, some new cases even here in the Philippines are being detected already. Not yet just possible cases, but where does the chemistry part come in here? Is that scientists may have probably discovered a way for the virus to stop spreading. But this is not a medicine, it's only a way for prevention. A new study shows that a molecule in green tea may block Zika virus. A 2016 study found that the polyphenol EGCG prevented more than 90% of the virus from invading. For this top 10, we'll look at the abundance of elements in the human body. Abundance will be measured in percent of total mass of a 70 kilogram human. However, this is an average only and the weight can vary depending on the person. Although the body contains 70% H2O, water contributes more to the mass of oxygen found in our bodies because it is much heavier. For our top 10, we have chlorine and sodium. Most of the sodium and chlorine in our body comes from salt, or sodium chloride that we eat. Chlorine is also commonly found in swimming pools, but this isn't a source of chlorine for humans. Both of these elements account for 0.15% of the total mass of a human.
For our number 8, sulfur and potassium. Sulfur and potassium are found in the body in roughly the same amounts. A 70 kilogram human contains about 140 grams of sulfur and 140 grams of potassium. Both sulfur and potassium each account for 0.25% of human mass.
6. Phosphorus. Phosphorus form parts of the structure of DNA and RNA, which is why it is needed for all known forms of life. 1.1% of a 70 kilograms human is made up of phosphorus atoms. For top 5, calcium. The use of calcium in the body is widely known. It helps to strengthen teeth and bones, and around 99% of the calcium in your body is in your teeth and bones. Calcium atoms in the body account for 1.4% of the mass of a human.
For our top 4, nitrogen. Nitrogen is the main element in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is an essential element in building amino acids which are vital for life as we know it. For our top 3, hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, but not in the human body. Most of the hydrogen in your body is locked up in water, which makes up 70% of your body. Hydrogen atoms account for 10% of a human's body mass.
For our top 2, carbon. Carbon is another essential element for life as we know it. Carbon atoms account for 18% of your body mass. For our top 1, oxygen. Oxygen is the gas that we all breathe in and out daily. It is an essential part of respiration, which is the process that gives the cells in your body energy. It is also found in water, and because oxygen is much heavier than hydrogen by weight, water is primarily oxygen. Oxygen atoms account for
So baking soda is very efficient and yet many uses. For example, make toothpaste. A paste made from baking soda and a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution can be used as alternative to commercial non-fluoride toothpaste. You can also just dip your toothbrush with toothpaste into baking soda for an extra boost. Freshen your mouth. Put 1 teaspoon in half a glass of water. Others and neutralizes, not just covered up. Soak oral appliances. Soak oral appliances like retainers, mouthpiece, and dentures in a solution of 2 teaspoons baking soda dissolved in a glass or a small bowl of warm water. The baking soda loosens food particles and neutralizes odors to keep appliances fresh. You can also brush appliances clean using baking soda. And another example is help your hair, but baking soda has its place in the shower too. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda into your palm along with your favorite shampoo and the shampoo as usual and rinse. Surely baking soda helps remove the residue that styling products leave behind, so your hair is cleaner and more manageable. So those are just some examples of the uses of baking soda.
So that's all for our chemistry video. Thank you guys for listening. And if you like, oh wait, somebody's calling.
You were standing in the wake of devastation, when you were waiting on the edge of the unknown, and with the cataclysm raining down, inside's crying, save me now. You were there, impossible